Hi kids, happy morning. How are you? I hope you are all good and healthy. Today we are going to see grade 3 English. In that we can revise for our terminal 1 examination. In that we can revise unit 3 poem. What's the poem name? Little by Little. Already we have discussed about this poem. Let me see a summary. Okay. An acorn is the seed of oak tree. An acorn grown little by little. An acorn said that I am growing from the soil. First I was hidden deep in the earth. After some days I grew small and small. An acorn saying that I grew a root as thread-like and air sprang a tiny shoot. I was growing day by day. I was growing day by day, year by year. Like that an acorn said. After some years, I become a big tree and I have slender branches spread and far and wide. Till the oak tree is the mighty oak in the forest pride. Okay children, let me see the rhyming words in this poem. Okay. Little by little an acorn said, as it slowly sank in its mossy bed, said bed, I am improving every day, hidden deep in the earth away, day away. Little by little each day it grew, little by little it sipped the dew, grew dew, said bed, day away, grew dew. Next, downward it sent out a thread-like root. Up in the air sprang a tiny shoot. Root, shoot. Day by day and year by year, little by little the leaves appear. And the slender branches spread far and wide. Here appear and the slender branches spread far and wide. Till the mighty oak is the forest pride. Wide pride. Okay. Name the tree that the acorn grows into. An acorn grows into an oak tree. An acorn grows into an oak tree. Second one. What things does a seed need to grow? A seed needs water, air, sunlight and soil to grow. Next, how many describing words can you find in this poem? How many words? Tiny, slender, mighty, little, mossy, deep and wide. Okay, let me revise our book exercise. Stem. It assists the tree in standing straight. Bark. It is the outer layer of the tree. Leaves. Leaves prepare food for the tree. Branch. The branches of the tree bear leaves and fruits. Twigs. A branch of the tree. Root. It is the part from where the tree begins to grow. Shoot. It is the new growth from the seed germination. Next, let me see the opposites. Downward, upward, downward, upward, slowly, fast, little, big, slender. What is that? Slender, fat, mighty, weak, day, night. Let me see the CW. Synonyms first. Good, excellent, little, dinky, strange, odd, ugly, horrible, slender, slim. Antonyms. Slender, fat or big. Later, earlier. different, same, pull, push, renovated, destroyed. Okay, let me see the answer the following. How long does it take for an acorn to grow? An acorn takes 4 to 6 weeks. How many? 4 to 6 weeks to grow. What is an acorn a symbol of? An acorn is a symbol of strength and potential. It was also a Nordic and Celtic symbol of fertility. Nordic and Celtic symbol of fertility. Okay, third one. What are the things plants need to grow? Plants have specific needs like air, water, sunlight, nutrients and fertile soil. Okay children, we will see unit 3, the enormous turnip prose. Already we have discussed about this prose, isn't it? Let me see the summary of this prose. What is the title? The enormous turnip. Once upon a time, an old man planted a seeds of turnip. After some days, it grew and grew. One day, it became very big. So, old man ready to pull out the enormous turnip. He pulled and pulled, but he can't pull up. An old woman came there and said, I will help you. They pulled out, but they cannot pull out. A boy came there. An old man said, we want to pull up the turnip. The boy said, I will help you. After that, 3 of them pulled up, but they can't. There, a girl came and asked what happened. A boy said, we want to pull up the enormous turnip. Later, 4 of them pulled and pulled. It became how it came out. Lastly, they did. They cooked the enormous turnip and ate well. Okay. Okay, children, we will see CW. Synonyms: enormous, huge, enormous, huge, admirable, wonderful, exhausted, tired, heroic, courageous, obvious, clear. Antonyms: several, few, diligence, laziness, accept, reject, proud, humble, valuable, worthless. Okay, answer the following. Who planted turnip seeds? An old man planted some turnip seeds. Who came second to help the old man? The boy came second to help the old man. Next, who had pulled the enormous turnip? The old man, the old woman, the boy and the girl had pulled the enormous turnip. Did they pull the enormous turnip out in the end? Yes, they pulled the enormous turnip out in the end. Okay, what is the moral of the story? The enormous turnip. Unity is strength is the moral of the story. Okay, next write the past and past participle of the following words. Present, past and past participle have given. Isn't it? Yes. First you see blow. In past, blew. In past participle, blown. Forgive, forgave, forgiven. Mistake, mistook, mistaken. Seek, sought, sought. Swim, swam, swum. Okay. Today we can see the grammar part of syllables. Okay. What is syllables? A syllable is a complete word or a part of a word with one vowel sound. What is the vowel sound? A, E, I, O, U. Isn't it? Yes. Okay. Word with one vowel sound. Here you see What is in picture? Frog. F-R-O-G. Frog. O is a vowel sound. Isn't it? Yes, vowel. So, it is a one vowel sound. Next. Vowel heard in a syllable could be from one or more vowel letters. Vowel heard in a syllable could be from one or more vowel letters. You see in this boat, what is has given? B-O-A-T. Here, two letters have a vowel, O and A, but have together, isn't it? So, it is a one syllable only. So, one or more vowel letters. Next, you see, letter Y makes a vowel sound. Y having a letter only, but it's have a sound of E, Y. Okay. Cry, C-R-Y, cry. Here, butterfly, B-U-T-T-E-R-F-L-Y. So, it is a Y is a vowel sound. Next, you see, two syllable words where two vowel sounds are heard. You see, racket, R-A-C, rack, K-E-T, ket, racket. Here one vowel and here one vowel. So, it's have two syllables. Okay, here I have tennis, T-E-N, ten, N-I-S, tennis. Here one vowel, here one vowel. So, it is a two syllables. Okay. We want to separate like this only, children. Next, we can see one syllables. Word is known as monosyllabic. You see, cat, dog, car, sky. Two syllables words are known as disyllabic. Example, hotel, H-O-T-E-L, hotel. So, it is a two syllables. I-N, in, S-I-D-E, side. In, side, it is a two syllables. You see, M-U, mu, S-I-C, music. Here also two syllables. Okay, three syllable words is known as trisyllabic words. You see, P-R-O-P-E-R-L-Y, properly. P-R-O, pro, P-E-R, per, li, properly. Here have three syllables. You see, fanatic, F-A-N, fan, A-T, at, I-C. So, here one vowel, here one vowel and here one vowel. So, we can separate as a three syllables. Okay, children? We will meet in next class. Thank you.